Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited about today's video. So today I am featuring my girl Makeupshayla, aka Baby Mama. I'm featuring her collection. I didn't get the whole collection, but I did get her beautiful palette. So that is what's on my eyes right now. I also purchased her Whistle While You Work blush, which I have one as well. Let's get into these eyes, honey. Yes, this look deserves a couple snaps, baby. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful eye look, then stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I'm back with another video. As you can see, I already did my foundation, my concealer, highlight, a little bit of contour. I tried a different approach this time, so I'm gonna kind of wear it and see how I like it before I film it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I love the transition color because she has the same color in her Perception palette that I already have as well. Right here is called Culture. So we'll put this right here in the crease. Absolutely gorgeous transition color. And sorry if you guys hear a lot of noise in the background. They are doing construction right outside the apartment, which has been annoying. It's been going on for 10 months and counting, so you may hear some noises from that. All right, so we got that really good in our crease. So it's nice and even on both sides. You can never blend too much. So I think what I want to do today is use this color called Drill. I think this color is really pretty. So we'll start with Drill. We'll use a flat eyeshadow brush. And we're just gonna pat that on the eyelid. Make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm kind of creating a shape, so I'm creating a line right beneath where the crease is. So you can see the color. The way my eyes are shaped, you have to go up a little bit higher than the crease where your skin folds right here in order for you to see it with my eyes open. So we'll take a little bit more. Look how gorgeous. This is so pigmented. The only thing I put down prior to putting these eyeshadows on was the Urban Decay Primer Potion. But that's it. There we go. So then you're gonna go back in with your blending brush, and we're gonna go back into Culture. And we're just gonna really smooth out the edges. You wanna keep blending until you can't see where the two eyeshadows meet. You wanna diffuse that line. Just like that. Do the other side. Gorgeous. We're gonna add a little bit of dimension, so we're gonna take a small tapered brush and we're gonna use the color right here, Gloves On, just to add a little bit right here in the outer corner. Just a tad bit, just to create a little bit more dimension than what we had before. So this is a great way where you can actually take an eye look and take it from day to night. It's just by adding a little bit of dark color in the corner, and that creates that dimension you need. And do right here in that corner. And because I've already done my under eye and set my concealer, I'm being very careful with the fallout. But as you can see, these shadows don't even fall out. which is awesome. I think I'm gonna add just a tad bit more to the corner. Just a tad bit. And blend it out. Just like that. Again, just focusing right there in the corner. Just want to add a little bit more definition. I literally have not wore color on my eyes in so long. I'm usually typically go with your all over neutral shade, pop some lashes in and be done. Okay, so now we're gonna blend at the top, again to make sure everything is seamless. I like that. So now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna smudge right down here at the bottom, and we're gonna do that with the maintenance color right here. Just a little bit right here in the corner. That's pretty. See the difference between the two? It really makes the eyes pop. So we're going to do the same thing on this side, starting from the outer corner and working our way in. The curls is popping from this angle. Yes, curls. Y'all, wash my hair, and I used the same technique that the stylist that cut my hair again, that cut it back into its original shape when I got it chopped off last year. I used the same technique, and I'm really proud of how it turned out. So if you want to see a video on my natural hair care routine, just let me know and I can make that happen, because it's been a struggle trying to find the perfect products. So now I'm going to take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil and just put it right here on the waterline, and this again just adds more definition to the eye. Look at that. There we go. So now I'm going to take that same smudger brush and just kind of tight line and smooth it on out. You're basically kind of smoking it out underneath the eye. All right, there you go. Now I'm going to go add lashes. I'll be using the, let's see, Sephora Lily Lashes collection in Miami. I'll add my blush. I'll add some highlighter, and then I will be right back. Okay. So here is the finished look. What do you guys think? Absolutely gorgeous. So I ended up adding Dead End, which is the beautiful gold color in her palette right here in the corner. I did that in my inner tear ducts. Absolutely gorgeous. Added the lashes, of course. And then I went ahead and said, okay, let me call my girl Shayla to see what she would want me to do. So she said, girl, go ahead and just add in a couple things for the Perception launch. So make it a whole Makeupshayla look. And I was like, girl, I got you. So I end up pulling out her Boomin' highlight. Isn't that gorgeous? That's right here on the cheek area on both sides. Yes. Yep. Okay, just want to make sure y'all saw that. And then I end up adding chestnut lip liner, and I did the Just lipstick from MAC, but then I topped it off with my girl's gloss. It's called Neat Freak, and again, this is from her Perception release with Colourpop and Shayla. That was her first original release. So if you guys love the look, hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be sure to give you guys another video coming up soon. Bye-bye.